Good night, Rosie.
I'm so cold.
Well, I have another blanket for you right here. You stay warm and get some rest.
Doctor, how is she?
Exhausted from coughing. Her fever's getting worse. Looks like diphtheria. She's the 18th case this week. And I'm out of antitoxin.
Jenna, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you. I shouldn't have taken you down there.
No, I'm glad you did. Steele.
Well, what's wrong with this picture? Jenna, join me for dinner. You start at one end, I'll start at the other. And when we get to the middle, well, you tell me.
All right, Steele.
No, Balto. Gee, Steele. I have to admit your offer is very tempting.
It is.
These days I prefer my meat cooked.
Come on, let's go! What's all the noise?
I think it's over here.
Jenna, come on.
Looks like Balto's found his way into your meat locker.
It's a good thing Steele was here. Good boy, Steele. You've earned these. Besides, I can't do anything with them after that wild animal's touched them.
Go on, get out of here, you thief! Come on, Jenna, let's go home.
Anchorage. Stop. Repeat. Urgent request. More diphtheria antitoxin. Stop. Gnome in grave danger. Stop. Please help. Stop.
Gnome. Pack ice closing in. Cannot ship antitoxin by sea. We'll try by air. Gnome. Storm at airport. Planes grounded until storm clears. Many regrets. From Juneau, Office of the Governor. We are shipping antitoxin by rail. Stop. Train line ends at town of Nanana. Stop. Select fastest dogs for sled team to carry antitoxin from Nanana to Nome. Stop. God willing, train will make it through. Stop.